and welcome to the 2024 edition of SAP Spend Connect Live, here at the stunning Venetian Convention and Expo Center in Las Vegas. So, just like that, day one is done and dusted, and what a day it's been. Proceedings got underway this morning with a keynote speech from Etosha Thurman, CMO for SAP Intelligent Spend Business Network, who discussed the growing strategic role of the Chief Procurement Officer. She and her fellow SAP execs shared SAP's vision and strategy for the Spend Management Solution Suite and outlined just some of the more compelling topics facing the industry, from AI to end-to-end visibility and beyond.
Now, that first thing is strategic collaboration. In today's organizations, there's no such thing as a vice president of collaboration or chief silo busting officer. But congratulations, from this day forward, that's you. In this new role, your job is not only to be a competent professional, but it's also to be a leader in collaboration.
We'll be speaking to Etosha in more detail during an exclusive interview on day two. We also sat down earlier today with Manoj Swaminathan, President and Chief Product Officer for SAP Intelligent Spend Business Network. He gave us the lowdown on SAP's latest innovations.
So if you look at in terms of us what it is, we actually really focus on market insights. We actually look at way ahead in terms of us what we need to be doing. A good example of what we have launched in market that you heard us talk about as a part of Spend Connect Live when we talked about our AI and investments and stuff is category management. So it's a great example in terms of us how we've actually looked at market insights and understood and landed a product that helps with a unique aspect of how we could actually go in and do. The same story holds good in terms of us how we are actually looking at AI. We're just not looking at AI as a buzz that everybody is talking about.
Finally, we heard from Tony Gainsford, Director for Supply Chain at Molex, who explained how the company's work with SAP enabled 1,000 suppliers and $1 billion in transactions over the course of 18 months.
Well, we've laid our foundation with basic capabilities, meaning purchase order, with a confirmation, we've got consignment stock, we've got invoices and quality notifications. So everybody gets that. We've got 1,200 suppliers on the business network. Now we're adding the more complex capabilities, scheduling agreements, forecasting, multi-tier, all those things. So we're building on the base. We're building capabilities on the base. We also extensibility, creating applications and use cases that are not out of the box. So we take out of the box, we're using that, but we have a few custom requirements. We're going to build some BTP apps on the business network. So I think that's the future. Adding to the foundation and extensibility, specific use cases to Molex.
Now those just some of the highlights from day one here at SAP Spend Connect Live in Las Vegas. You can read much more on our websites, Procurement Magazine and Supply Chain Digital. Please do join us again on day two.